Namaskar. What is hair transplant? I'm going to describe and explain you everything regarding the hair transplant because many of the youngsters and the needy persons are searching for this. And I'm going to make a series related to all the steps, everything about the hair transplant. So let's start with what is hair transplant. Hair transplant is a surgical procedure in which hair transplant surgeon is transferring donor hair follicle from one area, mostly the back side of the skull, to the recipient area, mostly the bald skull. Means you harvest the donor hair follicle from the back side of the skull surgically, then you transfer them where they are needed, means the bald area. Most commonly the hair transplant is done for the balding scalp or for the bald skull. So it's a surgical procedure. Now the donor hair are mostly the back side of the head, and recipient area, as I said, is the scalp, or it can be transferred to other area like for the reconstruction or making of the beard, mustaches and other parts of the body. So what are the technique of hair transplant? There are the two techniques of hair transplant. One technique is called as FUT or FUSS, follicular unit strip harvesting technique, in which a strip of skin having the donor hair follicle is taken out from the back side of the scalp, that is the safe donor area. Then from that strip the hair follicles are dissected under the microscope, and these individual hair follicles are implanted in the recipient area. This is called as FUT. Another technique is called as FUE, follicular unit excision. Previously we were calling it follicular unit extraction, but as it is surgery, so the name of follicular unit excision is more appropriate, as it should be done by a trained qualified surgeon. So another technique is FUE, in which donor hair follicles are taken out from the back side of the head, maybe also from the other part, and the individual hair follicles are harvested. So the FUE, there is no linear scar, there is no linear cut, there is no strip of skin is harvested, rather individual hair follicles are being harvested using a manual punch or more commonly a motorized punch. This is all about in short about the hair transplant. In next video, I'll explain you the individual technique, consultation, details of the surgery, what are the safety precautions, where it should be done, and who is going to do it. So see you in the next number 2 hair restoration video.